Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this cat beanie. I'm working with a 4.00mm hook and I have my stitch marker here. First up, we need to make a slip knot and make a chain of 75. I'm going to make 5 first of all. 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you've made 5 chains, I need you to pull up a loop and take out your hook. So into this very first chain, place your hook in there, just like this, and place your hook back into the loop. The reason for this is to help us maintain a straight chain. So now I made 5, I'm going to make a total of 70. So here we have a total of 75 chains. I need you to fit this around your head. If it fits perfectly, then we're good to go. If it's too big, then you can reduce your chains by 2 or 3. And if it's too small, you can add up 2 or 3. So 75 is perfect for my head size. So I'm going to make a slip stitch into this very stitch right here and chain 1. So we have a circle. Advancing into row 1, we're going to place 1 single crochet into every stitch. In total, we should have 75 single crochets. Now we've gotten to the end of our row 1. Advancing into row 2, we're going to place 1 half double crochet into every stitch. Here our stitch marker comes into play. So we're going to make our first half double crochet stitch and place our stitch marker into the very first half double crochet stitch. Now I need you to place 1 half double crochet stitch into every single crochet stitch till you get back to this point. Now I've gotten to the end of this row. I'm going to place 1 half double crochet into this stitch that has our stitch marker. Take out your stitch marker, place 1 half double crochet there. So this stitch now becomes our first stitch, and we're going to place our stitch marker there. We're going to continue by placing 1 half double crochet into every stitch. Now we've gotten to the end of this row. Advancing into the next, we're going to place 1 half double crochet in here, take out our stitch marker, and this stitch we just made, we're going to place our stitch marker back there. So I'm going to keep working this. So I made a total of 35, and this measures around 10.5 inches, and the width is about 10 inches. So I already cut off my yarn. So Now I'm going to place a single crochet into this stitch that has our stitch marker and make a slip stitch in the next and a slip stitch in the next, just to seal off the row properly. So next I'm going to seal off the foundation part. I have my darning needle, so I'm just going to sew this part, connecting both sides together. So now we're done filling out the top part. I'm going to weave in our ends. Now we're done weaving in all ends. I know looking at it, it looks like just a regular rectangle hat, but when you wear it, it gives the illusion of cat ears right here. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.